You left me. You blame Cousin Chuck and Anna for taking me in like it's their fault. Like they stole me from you. But you left me. That was your responsibility to take care of me. To make sure that I had opportunities to succeed. To teach me about who I was and where I was from. To make sure that I was prepared to take on the world. To catch me when I fell. To love me right. But you just left me here. And you never came back to take me home. So what? You gave birth to me. You ain't raised me. You never got your shit together. And now, it's too late.
You know what I remember? Sitting across from your desk at the office. And you telling me the history of the company, the family, the big pictures of your father everywhere. The big stories about how great he was, his accomplishments. That's how you taught me, man. And I ate it up. Told other people, but you knew that that wasn't the whole story.
Your mother
is not perfect. She's not. But neither are you. Debbie, the truth is, I didn't think you'd ever find out. The truth is, I changed, and I just should have said that. I didn't do it to hurt you. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do to make it right. This is the part where you forgive me and we reconcile, right?
Supposedly.
Easier said than done.
Yeah. Yeah.